Yeah, another Olympics in the rear view mirror, Rich.
So cool. It was a lot of fun to watch. It really, I love the Winter Olympics. So
yeah,
I lost a lot of sleep.
Well, especially on your shift, and when it's all happening overseas, it's very, it's a little easier for us when it's in North America or South America.
Yeah, it's tough working during that period because I like to watch all the events. But there's still the replays available on the NBC Sports app. So I have a hobby here for a while anyway. Weather-wise around here, well, the hobby or full-time occupation is keeping track of the weather. We had that convergence zone this morning, dumped anywhere from about 3 to maybe as much as 6 inches, an area roughly from about Camano Island eastward on towards Marysville, Lake Goodwin area and in there, and then also parts of the southern Whidbey Island got quite a bit of snow. So that's over with. Convergence zone went away, and now we're just dealing with some cold air that's pouring out of the Fraser River Canyon. Saw some straight effect snow there along the north shore of the Olympic Peninsula for a while this morning. May still be some going on there, but the Camano Island radar is now out, so we're kind of blind out there right along the strait. Fortunately, the coastal radar is still going, so we can at least see part of the sound from there. And if we scan down to the south, you can see still some rain showers there, though still probably seeing a rain-snow mix on some of the higher peaks down there in the Black Hills in that area. We've got snow levels look like they're running roughly about around 500 to 700 feet right now, so definitely could see a little bit there, but not looking for much in the way of any quantities. We're pretty much done with the hardcore precipitation for the time being. See in the satellite image, the visible image, that colder, drier air is starting to work its way out, and clearing definitely starting to take place out of the northeast as those cold winds pour out of the Fraser River Canyon. That's going to put us into a very cold air mass, it looks like, here for the next couple of days, and our overnight low temperatures may set a couple of low temperature records, it looks like, and we'll look at that a little bit more here in just a minute. Checking the Everett Tower cam, you can see blue skies there as things start to clear out. Still some clouds around. Could still see a few flurries kind of scattered here and there, but not going to amount to anything. There at Granite Falls High School, didn't pick up anything there on the play fields, but definitely a gray looking day. Checking our school net site there at Horizon Middle School in Ferndale, currently at 35 degrees. We've had a wind gust of 45 miles per hour, northeast at 24 right now, giving the wind chill of 23. Overnight tonight, wind chills around Whatcom County and San Juan counties, probably dropping down well into the teens. And Wednesday morning is going to be our coldest morning. We're going to see air temperatures down in the teens and 20s, and probably up in the northern counties, those wind chills down to the single digits. Again, that's Wednesday morning before things begin to warm up once again. Checking the temperatures right now up and down the sound. Cool afternoon, upper 30s to near 40 degrees. Not going to warm much from there, maybe a degree or two, and that's going to be about all we're going to be seeing today. Checking our wind gusts so far. Our school net sites, which were in schools, so in neighborhoods, so not quite as strong as what you see from the airports. 43 miles per hour at one of our sites there in Bellingham, though the Bellingham Airport has seen a wind gust of 54 miles per hour already, and the wind's starting to pick up elsewhere. It won't be nearly as strong once you get down there south of Whatcom County, but you'll definitely notice it, and there will be a wind chill with it. Checking the computer model, you can see basically just clouds and a little bit of clearing mixed in there for the afternoon hours, and then as we head towards later on tonight, you might still see a few flurries around, but again, any accumulations are going to be pretty limited, it looks like, at this point. Mostly it's just going to be the cold and the wind we're going to be dealing with for later today and on into Tuesday and Wednesday. See, as we head on towards tomorrow, especially, we're going to see things clear out. Should turn into mostly sunny but cold weather, it looks like, as we head towards midweek. Checking the mountains, well, they got roughly about 3 to 6 inches most spots except Baker in the last 24 hours, but the 2-day totals are anywhere from 1 to 2 feet of snow, so plenty of snow up in the mountains. And you can see there at Mount Rainier looking pretty snowy overall. We'll take a complete look at the mountain forecast coming up here in our next half hour. Right now, though, looking at our forecast for around Puget Sound, we're going to be looking for a few showers around, otherwise partly sunny. It's going to be breezy, windy in Whatcom and San Juan counties. Look for temperatures this afternoon in the upper 30s and low 40s. For tomorrow, maybe a couple of flurries around in the morning, but again, no accumulations of any significance. Otherwise, turning mostly sunny tomorrow. Cold temperatures only in the mid to upper 30s, actually probably upper 20s and low 30s up around Whatcom County. Partly cloudy on Wednesday, very cold in the morning. Overnight lows in the mid-teens to the low 20s, and wind chills again down into the single digits up in Whatcom County. We'll be warm a few degrees as we head towards Thursday, and there might be a couple of showers around, mainly north. Won't amount to anything again. Temperatures upper 30s and low 40s. A little bit of warming on Friday, a little more on Saturday, and finally back closer to normal with some rain as we head into Sunday.
Yeah, it feels like December until about
Seriously,
10.
yes.
All right, thank you, Rich.